Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my real trades, my real positions, and we are joined every day live by traders and investors who equally share with you their live positions and what they're trading in. So we don't pump or promote anything. We simply tell you what we're trading in, what we're investing in. This is my real money, all of my real money. I only have a couple of $1,000 in the bank on the side. That is it. Literally a couple of $1,000. I'd gladly show you my bank statement if it didn't show you my bank account number. But anyway, here is my live position of all the money I have in all the world in the stock market. I'm up at 41,171. This all started from $5,000 14 months ago. It's all happened live on the show, and today we are trying to create a little bit of YouTube history, and I'll explain that in a minute. And Caden Youngquist, who's a YouTuber, and Ali's a YouTuber as well. There's a couple of YouTubers here. You're going to agree with me. What I'm about to do today is going to blow your mind, all right? I've really pushed it today. So let's see what happens. We're going to find out in a few minutes' time. So let's get straight into the trades, and let's have a quick look. Once everyone's here, I'm going to tell you what I'm attempting to do. All right, is my computer going to work? Hang on a minute. There we go. That was a bit slow there for a second. Not to worry. I'll explain why that might be. But anyway, we're all good. We're all good. Okay, so we're off and running. The S&P is up 0.74. Let me come into the chat and see how many people are in and bring the comments in. Are you ready? Hi, Mike, Ali, Logan, Martin, John, Tom, Britmark, the best. Oh, hang on a minute. I've just realised. I'm streaming in 4K. That's annoying. I didn't mean to do that. I forgot to turn it back. It might pose a few problems. I apologise. I forgot to change my settings, and I can't do it I can't change it back during midstream. Anyway, we'll see if it works. Anyway. Time to buy Tilray. Oh, yes, I've got something very exciting to tell you about Tilray coming up today. So all the text looks a bit small. I apologise for that. It's because I'm in 4K. Mike, happy here. CY Financials, Caden, hi. Martin, can you please look at USOI dividend yield and the stock? Yes, I will. Have a look at it. It's working for you? All right. It's working, but everyone's text is a little small. Hi, Martin. What do you think of NEE? I'll cover all these in a second. Just bear with me. Once we get everybody in, I've got a really a big announcement to make. All right, something very, very exciting. Hopefully this will work. We might get a bit of stuttering today. Hopefully the channel's working okay. But I forgot to turn it back to HD. Anyway, doesn't matter. The point is, we're up right now. Virgin Galactic is up 1% today. It's a very dramatic day on the markets. Virgin Orbit is just down 0.25%. Tesla is down 1.45%. But that's still just around $900, so it hasn't really changed at all. Nothing's really happened as I predicted and as I explained in a video coming up in a minute. Rivian Automotive is up today 0.69. Lucid is up 2.71. Very, very nice. Polestar is up nearly 4%. I'm still down on it though. I'm not buying any more. Arrival is down 0.15. I've lowered my averages. I've got more. I've got an average of 123. I've got 500 shares now, so that's good. Amazon's up 1.9. I'm up nearly 11% now on Amazon. Very, very nice. Apple, I'm up 11% as well. That's had a great day, 1%, plus the dividends coming out. Robinhood Markets up 3.49 today. Great day for Robinhood. Look at that. McDonald's is up 0.3. If you can hear that sound in the background, it's my wife making some food for our guests this evening. We're having a dinner party, so you might hear some banging and drilling and smashing and crashing. That's what's going on in the kitchen tonight. All right. So it's real life. Hi, Martin. What do you think? I'll look at that in a second, Gary. Coca-Cola is up 0.19. Johnson & Johnson up 0.23. I'm down still 1.81. Where's my invitation? Oh, yes, I know. Well, you know, what can I say? Google, I couldn't think of a joke, but anyway, I'm sure I'll think of something later. Microsoft up 0.3. Meta Platforms is up 2.51. I'm finally in the black on Meta Platforms, otherwise known as Facebook. SoFi Technologies up 5.86. Really great. SoFi now, making some real money on SoFi now. And next stock, IonQ. Look at IonQ today, up 2.76. 25% I'm up now. I've increased my position. Now, you might go, well, why have you only got 66 shares? You know, it's only a small position. Yeah, but this stock could 10x in the future, and I'll explain why very soon. I caught a nice Tesla short this morning. SB trades, nice. CMV Studio, got some big news to mention in a minute. Stick with me, Tom. You'll appreciate this as well. PayPal today is up 2.33. Rolls-Royce up 0.9 today. Got some breaking news about Rolls-Royce as well coming out. Walmart up 0.5%. I'm up 11% now plus the dividends. You can see my dividends paying out $4.48 in just a few days' time. There it is. Just for owning 8 shares. So not bad at all. Target. Same, $6.69, and I only own 6 shares of that, and that's up 10% as well, 10.8, so 11% nearly. Tesco down today, but it's pretty much on a wash for me. But I bought it for the dividends and a bit of nostalgia because it's England and it's Tesco's, and you can't get better than a Tesco jam donut. So you know what I mean? There's a reason for buying the stock right there. If there ever was a reason, that's the reason, right? On the semiconductors. Now, this is huge news tonight, and I've got a video explaining about this as well. On semiconductor, up 5.43. Very, very nice indeed today. Tilray Brands up nearly 10% today. And I've got news about this video as well, about this stock as well, up 9.41 overall now. You remember I doubled up when it went down 24%. Ginkgo Bioworks up 1.23. Enphase Energy up again. This stock is now up 66% over the last 5 years. It is up 34,000%. It's just begun. I keep telling anyone, and no one believes me, and no one's buying in. They all think it's overpriced. They just don't get the value of solar. I know. I have a house that's fully off-grid, and I earn money from the government for doing it. It's crazy, right? Bitcoin SV up 0.26, flat right now. Bitcoin is up nothing today. There's no money to be made today in Bitcoin or Ethereum, nothing. But I'm making money in my stocks hand over fist today. All right, my overall portfolio, let's have a quick look at it, is up today 1.23, in fact 1.31, 534. You know that this morning I came second in the day trader of the day competition. I was just second, but never mind. Let's see if I can do better this evening. All right. Okay, now we've got some stocks to look at for all of you. I apologize if the screen's a bit jumpy. I'm streaming in Ultra 4K tonight. Ultra 4K, that is, not regular 4K, because I was recording and I forgot to turn my settings down. I needed Tom to call me up and remind me, say, hey, Martin, you need to turn your settings down. But Tom wasn't here, so what can I say? Right, okay, let's go through. Now then, before I tell you some really exciting news, I'm going to review the stocks I've been asked to review. But first of all, I want you to do something for me. Okay, first of all, we had a record number of likes today on a Thursday opening bell. Absolutely great, and a record number of people for our opening bell this morning as well, for a Thursday, that is. So that was really, really great. Now, right now, though, I want everyone to smash the like button, because for some reason you need a reminder. There's nearly 30 watching and just 13 likes, so half of you haven't smashed the like. If you smash the like, I guarantee your stocks are going to go up, and you're going to make lots of money. And I know you all love it. It's going to come out as a hit song. This is. You think I'm joking, right? I know how to record a song. This is going to come out. Chiggy, 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 pow, pow, Jerome Powell, who's the real Satoshi? You've got 1 minute. I want to see 20 likes at least. Here we go. Said a chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Said a chiggy, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. Hey. with the real Satoshi. Please stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up with the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. 30 seconds to go, 17 likes. We need 3 more likes, and we're about to ask you to do something that I've never asked you to do before. So you're going to have to, there's a big ask now, a big ask, but I think you could do it. I know you can do it. I already smashed the like button, said Houston, Texas Joe. I love Houston, Texas Joe. Look at that for a cool picture. He's got his glasses on, look, pretty cool, right? I'm sorry it's small in the chat right now. That's because we're on. In fact, I can fix that. Let me fix it. It's not good enough. It's not good enough saying, hang on a minute. Can I fix it during the show? No. Hang on, I don't think I can. Yeah, I don't think I can fix it during a live show. Very, very difficult to do so. Yeah, I don't think I can. Come on, Martin. Of course you can do it. How can I? Yeah, there we go. This is because I'm in 4K. I've got to rearrange the screen sizes. And I'm probably going to break everything trying to do it. But you put your comments on the screen. They deserve to be shown. Oh, there you go. Right. It's because I didn't change my settings to 4K. There we go. That's the best I can do for now. It might be a bit crazy in a minute, but never mind. Go to preview mode, then fix it. Yeah, no, Tom, what the problem I need to do is lower my resolution from 4K down to HD, but I can't do that during the show. That's impossible. Anyway, but thanks for that little reminder. You're right there. That's another way of doing it. Anyway, okay. Good. We're going to look at some stocks. Did we get 20 likes? No, we didn't. We got 18. Rubbish. Right. We're now going to find out who Tom, you're going to love this. Caden Youngquist, you're going to love this. YouTubers are going to love this, right? So today, I decided there's a lot of stuff going on online right now with Reddit, YouTube. There's a lot of chatter, a lot of excitement around a few things with my channel at the moment. All right, that's all I'm going to say. So today, I don't know how I did it, quite honestly, but I did 2 live shows. We did like 3 hours this morning. We've got another couple of hours tonight. That's like 5 hours of live shows today. And Caden and Tom, are you ready for this? Breaking on top of the 5 hours live stream today, and all the work I do in between to edit and blah, 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 prepare for the next shows, I managed to put out 12 shorts and create 5 full videos. 5. And what I've done, because there's a reason today, there's a very good chance my channel could go viral today. All right? There's a very good chance, because a lot of chatter going on, so I decided to go absolutely mental and go for it, right? So I have got a huge ask tonight, a huge ask. If you would help me out, this could be the night when our channel goes viral, right? I want to say thanks. I appreciate you. Lego Master, I appreciate you for being here. I really do. I'm about to review the 2 stocks as well, so I haven't forgotten, okay? So look on the homepage of my YouTube channel, right? You scroll down, and what do you see? You see the uploads. Straight after this show, I have 5 right, videos coming out as I finish, and every 15 minutes. Look, 5. You can only see. Yeah, you can see 5. 1, 2. Yeah, 5. All right. I also put out, can you believe it, 12 short videos as well. 12 short videos, 3 hours, 5 hours of live, and 5 fully promoted, fully enhanced, fully everything videos. This is the night my channel can go viral. I saw Mike do it. So I'd be really, 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 really appreciative. So here are the links. All right. Let me. In fact, I'll do it like this. 1. Hang on. 1. Okay. 1. This would be a massive help, and I'm going to review your stocks right now. Okay. So 2. That's a record, right? 5 full videos, 12 shorts, and 5 hours of live. That's pretty mad, right? Because tonight, I want my channel to go viral, because I'm so close now to that happening. Right, 5. Here we go. I don't know if this will all fit in one message. Here are the 5 videos. They come out tonight, straight after the show. There we go. Does that fit in there? Oh, no, I better not do it like that. I don't think that's going to work. I do one at a time. That's not going to work. Yeah, that's not going to work. All right. So here's number one. There's number one. All right. There's number one. See it? They're on the, of course, they're on the Discord as well. And they're also on the upload page of the channel. So you can see them. There's two. See it? If you can just bookmark these now or open them up, leave a comment already, leave a like. And what I need all my family to do is, if you can, watch these. And I will highlight the people that comment to the top. I'll give everybody a fair shot so we can promote everyone's channels if any of my YouTubers comment as well. So if these videos go viral, which I think some of them will, then all those of that comment at the top, especially Caden and Tom, I will try to promote your channels, okay? There's 5 videos there, right? Has everybody got it? I've got to take some classes on tech. Love shows take enormous, live shows take enormous balls. That you're very welcome. If you're a gold member, by the way, and you can always downgrade after one month, give you 2 1-hour Zoom calls a month, and I will go through my entire studio, telling you how I go live and run all this. I do all this on my own. I have no one helping me. No one does any of my edits. I do all my videos, all my cameras, my lights, everything live. And I've got so many sensors and switches. It looks like there's people managing all the lights and the cameras, but actually it's all me. And I don't have anyone edit my stuff either. I do it all myself. And you can do it, but it involves not being lazy. It involves being, hey, we got Ann Lee on TikTok, one of my subscribers. Right, we got to review these stocks now. I've been asked twice, so I'm going to do it right now. So Ann Lee, I want to just feature you because you are very important. You are one of my YouTube, TikTok subscribers. So Ann Lee, just say hello again, and I'll put your name on YouTube. All right, Ann, if you do that again, I'll put you on YouTube. I just came in too late. All right, so what we looking at the close? Stu Walk. There's 5 videos I've just put in the chat, and they are on the uploads of my videos. These are the stocks that are exploding now. Tesla's going to do really well. Tilray, SoFi, On, and IonQ. They're all on the homepage of my YouTube channel, and I've given you all the links in the chat. They're coming out straight at the end of this video. It's going to promote the stock, and it's going to benefit the channel if you all get involved, all right? Okay, let's review the stock. Here is Ann Lee on the screen. Ann Lee, here you are, Ann Lee. There you are. One of my Luca badge owners now on YouTube. Just look here in about 10 seconds. Keep watching. There you are, look. There you are, there's you. Thank you very much for being a subscriber on TikTok. You know you have exclusive content on TikTok as well, and I'll also promote your channel. If you want me to blow up your TikTok channel, I will do so. Right, getting straight back to my first questions. I've got 2 here. We're still doing Discord service on Saturday. Yes, we are, Tom. Let me see. What were the comments you wanted me to do? Everyone, Martin, always a pleasure. I'm proud. A proud owner of 1.01 shares of Tesla. Let me just change the screen a minute. That's better. Yes, that was the purpose of the stock split. And that's exactly the sentiment that will be reflected in the stock in the coming days. That's exactly what we're talking about. It's purely to do with human sentiment. People feel better when they own a whole share of Tesla. It does make them feel better. It doesn't mean anything, but it means everything to the investor, which is everything to the stock. If more people buy it, more people are behind it, it does inflate the stock. So that's really great. Anyway, nice one, Nits. Okay, let's have a look. I want to say a big thank you, Lego Master. You are very, very welcome. Here we go. So, Caden Youngquist, you didn't comment on my 5 hours of live, 12 shorts, and 5 videos. I thought you might have commented on that. Pretty mental, right? It's a record, I think, on YouTube. I don't know anyone who does that. All right, so let's have a little look. USO, let's have a little look now. It's interesting. Just wait for the dividend. I want to hear your thoughts. Okay, USOI. Here's my first stock of the day. USOI. Review this now for Caden. USOI. Credit Suisse. Is that the one you're talking about? Credit Suisse. Straight away, I like this company. Credit Suisse, at least I like the bank. Credit Suisse X-Links crude oil shares covered call, ETN. Okay. Is this the one you're talking about? USOI. Stock is interesting just for the dividend, but I want to hear your thoughts. Okay, let's have a look. USOI offer, and I will do the other stock in a minute, so give me a moment and I'll do the other one. Okay. USOI offers the return of covered call strategy on a front-month oil futures ETF. The listed name of USOI is Credit Suisse AG. Credit Suisse X-Links. Well, first of all, straight off the bat, this is not my bag at all, Caden. I'm not an options trader. I don't like options trading. I like to own a piece of the pie. I don't predict the date when things are going to do well. I just know it will or know it won't. I'm not an options trader. I don't bank on a stock going up by a certain date. So that isn't my field of expertise. This is more expertise for Muzanella, who you can contact, is probably our biggest investor, actually. He's over on Discord. So I would speak to him about this one. But the dividend is not showing here. You said you're in it for the dividend. Is this the one you mean? Because it's not showing a dividend here. Maybe this isn't the one you're talking about. Let me just go down the bottom and check. Look at the yield. Yeah, it doesn't say anything here. On Robinhood, it doesn't give anything here. So I wouldn't want to comment on this one because this is not my expertise. But what I will do, I will research it. Not by looking on YouTube and seeing what other YouTubers tell me, but I will research it by reading good old-fashioned books on Credit Suisse. I'll have a little look into this. It sounds very, very interesting. I'd like to know about it. But right now, I'm going to reserve my judgment. Okay? Weird, it says it's a 30% yield. Yeah, nothing here. I can't see how that can have a 30% yield, to be honest with you, and it doesn't advertise it here. So it's a very interesting stock. I've never seen anything quite like that, but I will look into it and get a feel for it. So I'm so passive income hungry. You are. You like earning money with doing nothing. Oh, there we go. It's all about the greenback. Dividend, oil, waste of time. I wouldn't be in oil, period. Yes, you all know that anyway. Just to make sure everyone's awake, we are doing some work on Discord on Saturday. There we go. Thank you, Tom, for letting everybody know. I already have shares in another cannabis. So is it wise to have more of my portfolio in cannabis? Well, how much? If you want to call in, Logan Pizza, if you've got a good signal, call in. Tell me what the size of your portfolio is, how much you have invested, how much of it is your available income. You know, how much are you tied into the stock? In other words, how much of your wealth depends on your portfolio? Do you have a car loan? Do you have a mortgage? Do you have other pressures that might make you want to sell? And if you're gonna invest in one cannabis stock, I would have said it should be Tilray because it's a world beater. So I would have said Tilray should be the one that you're in. But you can. I need more information to do a full analysis on that. Let's have a look at this. I've got to take some classes on tech. Yeah, Nitz Ferald, you can have, if you're a gold member for 1 month, basically for 10 hours, for $10, you can buy an hour with me one-on-one with Zoom, and I can go through my studio, my techniques, how I record, how I edit, how I do everything, and you can do any of that stuff. Anyway. Somebody else wanted me to check a stock. USOI we've looked at. I need to do more research on it. Somebody else mentioned one. What was it? I hope Bitcoin tanks for all fanboys. Yeah, never be a fanboy of anything. Sorry, boss, I was streaming on the old system. Brick, that's no worries, Tom. Brick, Tesco are the classics. Yeah, those stocks are waiting to be margined. Good evening all. Morrison's donuts are better. No, they're not. Tesco's is the best. Tesco's are the best, and for ginger nuts as well. Ginger nuts. Where is it? Oh yes, Gary Smith. What do you think of knee? Is Gary Smith still here? I want to make sure before I take the time to do it. Gary Smith. Yes, he is. Gary Smith is still here. So here we go, Gary. I'm about to look at your stock. Knee. Neee. Let's have a little look at it. Let's get a feel for it. It's not one I've ever heard of. Oh, Next Tetra Energy. Yes. I have a share of this. Yes, I do. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I don't know why I don't own more. It's just fallen off my radar. I have shares in Next Era Energy. Absolutely great. Everyone should get it. 100%. Can't go wrong with solar. I don't care who you are. You will always win on the stock. It also pays 1.83 dividend. Why do I not own more of this? I feel a clown. I'm up 13%. Why do I not own more than this? I don't know the answer to that. I have to be honest. Let's have a look. Next Era Energy. It's like the S&P, but it's running at a peak and it's not showing any signs of issues that other stocks are showing. So Next Extra Energy, 138% plus the dividend, folks. Over the last year, it's been secular. We're at the top, but we've now got government funding. Government funding in the US is going into this sort of stock. This sort of stuff. So I'm telling you it's great. So I should be investing with my money, right? It's up 11% on the month. There's going to be no dip with this. I mean, quite honestly, it's down 1% on the week. So there is no wrong time to buy in this. We've had this over the last year, but this was, yeah, okay. All right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do, because there's no point me saying everyone should own it, and I don't own it, right? So that makes no sense whatsoever. So there is 10 shares. There's 892. I'm just trying to do the maths in my brain. 1.83. What's the expense ratio on this? Price earnings ratio 67.92. Okay. Low today, high today. Next Extra Energy dividend data is Monday. Here's what you need to know. Next Extra's XR. Hang on. This could be worthwhile. Let me just have a look then. Hang on a minute. Next Extra's Energy ex-dividend date is Monday. Monday. This was written today. Is that Monday? The company announced on Friday that it would pay shareholders a quarterly dividend of 42 cents per share on Monday. Next Extra Energy will go ex-dividend, meaning the stock will trade lower to reflect that payout. In other words, the stock will likely open 42.5 cents lower than it would have opened on any other day. The company announced on Friday that it would pay shareholders a quarterly dividend of 42 cents per share. On a Monday, Next Extra Energy will go ex-dividend, meaning the stock will trade lower to reflect that payout. In other words, in order to be eligible to receive a company dividend, shareholders must own the stock prior to the ex-dividend date. Okay, so you need to be in the stock before Monday. This was when was this written? This was written August 24th, yesterday. So right, okay. Right, that's enough for me. That's enough for me. That's enough for me. Okay, I'm buying 10 shares. Review order estimated buy. There. I bought 10 shares of that. So who is it who asked me that question? Gary Smith. Gary Smith, you just asked me whether I think Next Extra is a good idea. Well, I think I've just shown you what I think about that. I've just bought the stock. Because this is at the beginning of its cycle, even though it's up 138%. That is nothing. If you compare that to Enphase Energy, which is up over the same period 34,000%, you'd be absolutely crazy not to buy it, because Enphase Energy doesn't even give you a dividend. It doesn't even offer a dividend, a safe dividend like that. I don't believe. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. How much have I got in that? $2,000. Okay, I've got Next Central. Okay, there we go. I've got 11 shares of it now, so I'm up 1.1%. I'm up $10 on that right now, because I was already up a decent amount. Will Tesla... So, Gary Smith, did that answer your question? Could you do an analysis on Funware stock holding 350 shares down over 40%? Funware holding 350 shares. Yes, Crag, I will. Crag, are you a member? Yes, you are. Will Tesla go to $300 tomorrow? Let's have a little look. Thank you so much for getting me a next extra. Gary Smith, are you still here? Come back in the channel. I want to thank you very much for that. Gary Smith, yeah, he's still here. And you can find if someone's here by putting the @ sign and their tag. So GA and start writing it and you'll see it pop up. Will Tesla go to $300 tomorrow? Yeah. Yeah. Will Tesla go to $300 tomorrow? I'm going to say yes. Because it's a bear market. There's no reason, but we are having another bear rally. We're having another bear rally now. If you look at my overall portfolio, we are having a bear rally again. Let me have a quick look at my portfolio. Let me share with you. We're up today 1.52, and we get some perspective on that when people go, oh, it's all going to zero. And by the way, in Graham Stepan today, he's been very, very quiet. He didn't say sorry that he got it wrong, and China hasn't gone to zero. But anyway, and neither has the US. But anyway, we're up one day. We're up over the, I think we're down over the week, yeah. We started very badly for Friday and Monday. But over the month, we're up 7%. We are up, what are we up? We're up 18, nearly 19, 20% over the 3 months. So at the end of the day, you know, we're having a bear market rally. So I would have imagined after the first day of the stock split tomorrow, we should hit 300, which would only bring it to $900 anyway. So yeah, I don't see that's any shakes. Gary Smith never came back to me. Has he got me on mute or what? What's going on? I just reviewed his stock. Virgin Galactic up 1.54 today, doing good. I'm so happy that he mentioned that to me, even though great time to buy Salesforce. Salesforce, someone else asked me to just look at something else. Salesforce and SN, oh yeah, I wouldn't touch that. What was that one there? Funware stock. Let's have a look what that is. Funware. Let me open another tab, duplicate, Funware. Bear with me, and then we'll have a look at Salesforce, Funware. Right. SNDL, we'll do that as well, Funware. Funware. Let's have a look. Funware, what's this? What company is this? Funware. Development multi-screen. Do you know what, guys? I'm really hot today. I'm like working my absolute arse off in the studio. I'm determined to go viral tonight. I'm taking my tie off. I've never taken my tie off in the show ever. But you know what? Tonight we're going viral. Tonight we're going viral, and we are working overtime tonight. If my family can help me out, tonight is a night we explode the channel. So let's hope everyone does that. All right. Okay, we're going to get serious now. Funware engaged in develop a multi-screen as a service platform, enterprise's cloud platform for mobile devices. It provides companies the product, solutions, data, and services necessary to engage, manage, and monetize mobile application portfolios and audiences at scale. It's been around since 2009, 120 employees. Austin, Texas, down the road from me. 1.79 average volume. Today's so its volume is down today. Not much going on. Doesn't provide a dividend. Its low is 135. Its high is $24. So it must have IPO'd then. Hang on. Must have IPO'd. Yeah. Oh, hello. What was that there? Right. I don't like when a stock does that. All right. Okay. I wouldn't touch it. I wouldn't touch it because of that. Because of that alone. Because of that alone, I wouldn't touch that stock. Why on earth on 2009 did that happen? I don't like any stock that does that. That reminds me of the Chinese stocks that do that. I don't like it because it's not real growth. That has had a load of speculative gamblers jump all over it to do that. Why did it do that? So before I touched it, I'd want to know what that was. What caused that? And if that was caused by a lot of Redditors and tweeters and God knows what else, then I wouldn't like it. Just purely for the fact that they can bring the stock down without much notice. So I don't want a stock that has that sort of that action. Now, you might say Tesla is one of the most shorted stocks. It has a lot of people that try to fight it, but it always holds its ground. This doesn't, because this behaved in a very different way. We've just seen that on the chart there. So it is vulnerable to manipulation. So straight away, it's off my list, because it doesn't matter how good the stock is. Can I make more money somewhere else? Can I make... Oh, hang on. This makes me laugh. Andy Hughes on TikTok. This is the sort of thing that you have to read past, folks. Andy Hughes has just said Tesla crashed. Tesla crashed. All right. Apparently, Tesla crashed today, and I'm glad I sold it. Did Tesla crash today, folks? Do you know what a crash is? That's over the last year. Did Tesla crash today? No. Did Tesla go down a bit today? Yeah. Does every single stock on the stock market go up and down every day? Yeah. It went down by 1%. 1% today. That does not dictate a crash. So that's the sort of thing that you don't want to read into, and that's the sort of thing that you see. People. I don't know. Does anyone listen to that sort of stuff? Anyway. Tesla going down 1% is not a crash. It's not even a ripple. SNDA, did these fine folks give $2 for that song? No, I never got it. I never got the extra $2 for the song, mate. Ion Condor, no. I think everyone's having a hard time. No one's got any money today. I don't know why, because the stock market's great. If you're in the right stocks, the stocks I always talk about, everyone should be having a great time. But no, they didn't. Anyway. It's a very quiet afternoon this afternoon. I don't know why. I think we had a long show. Whenever I have extended shows, not everyone comes back in the afternoon, which kind of makes sense. If you had 3 hours this morning and then 2 hours, that's 5 hours in one day, right? That's like a full-time job, isn't it? Oh, he doesn't know about the 3-to-1 split. Oh, maybe. But if he's making comments on a financial channel, he should know. And there's no excuse for it. I mean, I say how it is. I always tell the truth. I just tell you straight. If you make comments online, make them with education, because people read them and people act on what you say, right? It's very, very important. To say Tesla has crashed because you see it at 293. And you are engaging on a financial channel. I know, stupid, right? I know. I'm not going to use the word stupid today. I keep calling everybody stupid. There's going to be nobody left in the world that's not stupid if I carry on like this. So no, I'm not going to call him stupid. He made a mistake. Ha, ha, ha. Off to the world. Yeah, off to the world, child. He's like going, hang on a minute, I'm not stupid. Yeah. I'm going to call it a mistake, a slip of the tongue. Salesforce, it must buy now, finally. Salesforce, all right, let's look at it. Let's look at Salesforce, because if I don't look at Salesforce, the Church of Logic has already told me, if this channel turns into, who was it, Graham Stepan or Dave Ramsey, he ain't watching anymore. Oh, and by the way, Church of Logic, I'd like to know exactly what you mean. What do you not like about Dave Ramsey? Because a lot of what Dave Ramsey says, actually, I quite like. So, not that I'm not going to say it if I believe in it, just because you don't like it, because that would be against my principles, right? But I'd like to know what it is you don't like. So, if I can avoid it, that would be good, right? I mean, but not at the expense of my principles. Salesforce engages in the design and development of cloud-based enterprise software for customers' relationship management. Its solutions include Salesforce automation, customer service and support, marketing automation, digital commerce, community management. Do you know what? That doesn't tell me enough. Obviously, Church of Logic knows about this stock. So Church of Logic, I'm inviting you to call in. Are you able to call in? And I'm opening up the broadcast lounge on Discord. So if you are on Discord and you are a YouTube member, you can see the broadcast lounge. It's right at the bottom of the channel list, right there. If you are not a YouTube member and just a Discord member, you won't see the channel. It's for YouTube members only. Right, so I want you to call in, because I want to know all about this stock, Salesforce, because that chart is interesting. It's bottomed out, but it has a decent price. It's been around for 20 odd years. It's got a decent average, and I like some of the people that work there, so which is always important to invest in, and I like the way it looks. Down 4% today. It hasn't got silly, crazy. It's got a drop there. Was that an earnings? Yes. Estimated 102, actual 119. It went up on earnings. It exceeded earnings by a decent amount. But yet people didn't like it. That sometimes happens, by the way. More often than you can imagine. So the broadcast lounge is open. Let's see if he call 4 p.m. I can. Okay, he can call in 15 minutes. All right. And I'm presuming you're New York, yes, which is an hour Eastern time, which is 3:45, 4:45, 15 minutes. Right. Dave Ramsey is doomsday guy and misleads everyone on real estate. That I agree. Will never be a doomsday guy, because there's no point to that. There's no point, ever. Who dares wins. Who works hardest succeeds. Always be positive. Always turn everything into an opportunity. I'm not a doomsday guy, so you got me right there. Okay. And real estate, I am the biggest idiot when it comes to real estate. Why? Because I have a house in England I could rent out and make loads of money on. I'm an idiot. But I like to keep my house for when I go back to England. So I'm an absolute barking lunatic idiot. But I like to keep my house. If I was all about the money, I should rent my house out. But there you go. So I'm an idiot when it comes to real estate, I'm afraid. I only want enough money to live. You all know how I operate. And I leave money on the table when it comes to property. I could make a lot of money, but I choose not to. Because I'm an idiot. So yeah, I am not like Dave Ramsey. He'd be renting his house out with his mum living there, right? Today, Salesforce is one of the largest technology companies in... Oh, hang on, that's a bit big. Bloody hell, what have you done there, Mr. Church of Logic? Oh my God, could you make that any bigger? Could you make your comment any bigger? Bloody hell, what happened there? That's because I changed the resolution. I'll change it back later on. Anyway... The Church of Logic, Salesforce, one of the largest technology companies in the world, and as of August 2022, is the 58th largest company in the world by market cap. All right, doesn't necessarily mean anything, but it's not a bad thing to be the biggest, because you probably have more money and more monopoly of the market, so that's not a bad thing. Salesforce ranked 136 in the most recent edition of the Fortune 500, making $26.5 billion. Since 2020, Salesforce has also been a component of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Okay, Salesforce was severely affected by the dot-com bubble bursting at the beginning of the new millennium, with the company laying off 20% of its workforce. Good facts here. 2014, the company realized Trailhead, a free online learning platform. In October 2014, Salesforce announced the development of its customer success. Oh, hang on. Salesforce. I've seen an interview with Jim Cramer on Mad Money. Was it on there? Did they interview some guy? Yes, I remember that, I think. Logan is saying SNDL. I'll have a look at that in a minute for you. I haven't forgotten you. Replacing energy giant joined, replacing, okay. Across to 2021, Salesforce saw notable leadership changes. Keith Block stepped down from the position in the company. On December the 1st, 2020, it was announced Salesforce would acquire Slack. Oh, yes, I do remember this now. Yes, Mad Money. I know I saw it. I was very impressed by the CEO and where the company was going. Yes. Cummins uses Salesforce. Yes, I remember now. Time for a cup of tea. Yeah. Good on you, Martin. What's going on? Good on me for doing what? What have I done? Will lose their subscription benefits. Mr. March the 14th. Oh, Mr. March the 14th. Don't lose your subscriber benefits. Don't do that. Back USOI looks sketch, not buying. There you go. Caden. There you go, my friend. If it looks and doesn't feel right, walk away. Because at the end of the day, there's plenty of great opportunities. It's not about picking an opportunity that's good. It's about picking the best opportunity for you. And I mean for you. You might hate solar and think solar is a big load of pants. And you might not like Next Extra. You might think I'm an idiot for buying that today. But where's Gary Smith? I can't believe Gary Smith came in here and I've ended up just buying $1,000 worth of Next Extra Energy, and he's not even in the chat. He's not even in the chat to go, nice one, mate. Where did he go? He must be muted. He has to be muted. He's got to be, isn't he? He's got to be muted. He has to be. He has to be. I don't know where he went. Anyway. I was reading some articles. My stomach was like, yeah, don't buy this. Hey, Caden, your stomach tells you the truth, all right? It wasn't right for you. But the moment you think about it twice, you start doubting yourself, changing your mind, and go, oh, well, actually, maybe it's a good idea. No, if your gut says this is wrong, leave it. Walk away. Something else is tempting you. Salesforce, it's down 4%. We're going to get a much better impression of this stock when Church calls in. He's going to call in. We're going to have a guest on. 7%. What does that mean? Pre-market? That's not right, is it? That's a charting error. Pre-market? What's going on? That's... Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, I see. Oh, that's interesting. Bit of an issue there with... over the last 3 months, it's up 11%. It's been a bit flat over the year, but no worse than other things. Right, something in my portfolio is exploding. Well, I say that. It's not really. Something in my portfolio is moving up quite quickly. I need to find out what it is. Hi, Bill. Love to have you here. What do you think of Cummins? Brickmark. Let's have a look. Cummins. Let's have a little look. The S&P. I mean, just quick. Something's going up. Something's going up here. And SPCE, no. Virgin Orbit, no. Tesla. It's going to be $900 tomorrow. Church asked me this earlier. Rivian, no. Something else. Lucid, no. It's a great time to be in the market, innit? Arrival's doing all right. Back in the money. Well, nearly. Zach, by the way, you need to thank Ali Tisrow. He has sponsored the newsletter and opted to put you in as the charity, the fundraiser, as his... Zach, you need to send me your information. I want your Handcash app number, handle. I want the link to your website or YouTube channel and a thumbnail. Send me a picture, all right? And we're going to put you in the newsletter, and that was given to you by Ali Tisrow. Amazon, I haven't forgotten whoever it was who just asked me about Cummins, so bear with me. Apple, yeah, that's lifting a bit, but it isn't that. It's Robinhood. No, it's not that either because I don't have enough shares in it. McDonald's. Not really. Coca-Cola. It probably looks like everything. J&J. That might be it. It's a collection. It is a collection of all the S&P top companies. They're all pumping. The S&P 500 is up, and these are all the top flyers. You can see it. That's where we are. We're back in the black with Meta, by the way. SoFi. This bear market, if it continues much longer, and I hate to upset market profit, but despite what Vladimir Putin wants, stuff him. Stuff Vladimir Putin. He's an idiot. You know, I call a lot of people idiots. Vladimir Putin's an idiot. I'm going to call Vladimir Putin an idiot. Stuff him. It doesn't matter what he tries to do. The US market is not phased by what you're doing. We will come through this. 99. It looks like just generally the S&P top companies are all on the rise. This could turn to a bull market if this continues much longer. We had a bear market rally. Graham Stephan and Meet Kevin said the world's coming to the end when we had 2 red days. Must have been really hard for them. Making 10 grand a video. But, you know, bless them. They need the money. I'd love to have them on the show. Wouldn't you? Can someone go onto their channels and say, Martyn Lucas would love to have you on the show? He admires your channel with the way that you've managed to build a very successful business. He just doesn't agree with your principles, but he loves your channel. Tell him, and I'll have him on the show. They'll never come on my show. Ginkgo Bioworks up 2.46. Enphase Energy up 1.87. Solar is exploding. This money from the US government is filtering through now. Bitcoin SV is up 1%. Look, Bitcoin's hardly moved, look. See? It's like, oh, but you got to have Bitcoin. You got to, why? Why have you got a Bitcoin? It's underperforming all my stocks. So there we go. It's basically a collection of everything. That's where my profits are coming from today. Anyway, Cummings. Back to our friend here who asked for Cummings. We are going to do Salesforce as well. I haven't forgotten. So Cummings. Is that right? Have I spelt that right? CMI. Salesforce are involved with this, I believe. I don't know how. I'm not an expert on this particular subject, but I'll have a look. He has 21,000 just sitting. It can easily be at 60,000 tomorrow. Who's this? Who's got 21 grand just sitting there? Who's got 21,000 just sitting there? He can easily be at 60 grand tomorrow. What's this? Who can be at 60 grand tomorrow? Salesforce does look interesting. Breakdown trend and bouncing off uptrend. Church of Logic. Wow, Ali, thank you so much, mate. Broke down trend in July. Tilray rocking today. Yeah, Tilray is rocking today. We know why. We know why. Hang on a minute. I apologise for some slight delays. We are over broadcasting tonight. We're in Ultra 4K. Tilray is rocking today because we know that they are moving now into drinks and other things. And as soon as legislation goes through, which it will, it's going through in Germany, it'll go through. This will 10x. I put a video out about it that'll 10x, by the way. Back to Cummins. Walmart stock or Costco. Walmart every day. Google is rallying too. Look out for the Fed event tomorrow. Yes, we are covering it. It's going to be live on our show. We are covering the Fed tomorrow. Mr. Jerome Powell, chicky, pow, pow. He has his own song, for God's sake, on my show. I mean, I have to have him on the show, right? Done, I'll do it. Everyone's crazy but me. Done, what have you done? Nits, what have you done? Nits, what have you done? Everyone's crazy but me. Iced coffee hour on Graham Stephan. Never say never. Just sold Rio. Dexter sick again. What is Rio in this Rio thing? Why are you always selling Rio? What is wrong with you? Why is everyone selling Rio? Have I missed something right now? Why Why is everyone selling Rio and we're dancing in the sand? I don't know what's going on with this Rio thing. Made 4K. You made $4,000 on it. Bloody hell, mate. What's going on here? I'm in the wrong business here. Rio Tinto. I've never sold it. I just keep holding it. I guess I'm an old-fashioned trader. I'm an old-fashioned boy, and I just hold it. Rio Tinto. I guess, yeah. It's up 5. I mean, yeah. Can if you want. I mean, I don't know. I'm holding it because remember, if you sell it in the first year, you pay 20% of your profits to tax. So just bear that in mind. 20% is gone. Told Kev to come on the Day Trader Show. Hey, yes, get in. Knits for Olds. I want everyone to go to Graham Stepan and meet Kevin. Not when I'm on, though. Not when I'm on, though. Don't start not watching my show, all right? And tell them to come on my show. I told Kevin to come on the Day Trader Show. Brilliant, Knits. I only got 30 shares of Rio. What do you mean only? By the way, Caden Youngquist is 17 years of age. He's only got 30 shares of Rio. When I was 16, I was lucky if I had 30 Mars bars, let alone 30 bloody shares of a stock on the stock market. But there we go. Different world now, eh? Different world. Let me drink my tea a minute. Right. We got Day Trader of the Day. We've got to ring the bell. And we've got, you guys have got to go to work for me in a minute. Seriously. We are about to knock the big YouTubers off the top of the tree. All right? So, and we're going to do it together. We're going to do it together. We're going to do it together. Right? Live together. Not messing around. I'm being very serious. Okay. So, commercial break. Right, we're back. We put an ad in. Right, we're going to do this. In fact, we're going to do this live on the show. Okay, we're going to have some fun. Okay, see why you're doing just fine. He's doing very fine, more than fine. SNDL. Logan Peach is going. For God's sake, will you share SNDL? I've asked you like 50 times, and I'm a member. It's like walking into McDonald's and saying, I'm a shareholder, right? I know how it goes. SNDL, share it. Talk about it. What is SNDL? Saturday Night Live? Let's have a look. SNDL is a licensed product that crafts small batch cannabis. No, wouldn't touch it. I'm already in Tilray. Why would I be in this? Why would I? There's no... Tilray will buy out SNDL. No, forget it. That's no good. That's not just because it's cheap. Don't buy it because it's cheap. It won't have the market cap. It won't have the influence. No, I wouldn't buy it just because it's cheap. Don't buy it because it's cheap. No, don't like that. I would say I know what you said about it. Was the other day when you were talking about it's got the sunflower, it's got the drink or something. Oh, the cancer treatment or something or other. You were telling me about it. Tilray will buy it out. That's my prediction for SNDL. All right, that's my prediction. I wouldn't even bother with that. So there you go. Here end of my speech on that. Right. I used to never get ads on your ad breaks. Now I always do. Damn right. When you become a big YouTuber like me, Caden Youngquist, you'll get ads on your channel, and I'll make sure I watch them all, not skip them like you do with me. I know what you do. I can see you skip them. Do you think I don't know what's going on? Look. I've got technology here. I've got like algorithms. I've got stuff here. I mean, have you seen all the cameras I got moving around this studio? I know what's going on. You don't think I don't know? I know when you're pressing buttons. Look, I've got gadgets and technology everywhere. I know when Caden Youngquist skips my ad. All right, I know. 100%. Brilliant. All right, okay, we're going to get serious now. There's no messing around now. Because this is what we're going to do. The bell's gone. We're into after hours. Everything's looking good. Let me ring the bell. We've got Day Trader of the Day. Hang on. Hang on a minute. Where's the button gone? There we go. Let's do that. Let's do that. Got hair loss. Got a hair loss ad. Not even going to ask you, Peter. Not even going to ask, mate. I'm not even going to ask if you got no hair. I'm not even going to ask that question. We'll just let the ad speak for itself. See why you're doing just fine. He's doing all right. Different company. Aha. Right. Already have a profit of SNDL. Good stuff. Make some money, my friend. What are we waiting for now? What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? Right. Okay. Who's with me? Right. I'm going to do a poll. Are you ready? Okay. I'm going to do a poll. I've got all the family here today. Who's with me? Right. Who's with me now? Hang on. End that. Who's with me now to take this channel viral right now? Who's with me? Right. Who's with me for the premieres? Okay. Who's with me now for the premieres? Come on, guys. What we're going to do now is we're going to... You know how I, in the middle of a show, get you all to watch somebody else's video? Well, now I'm going to get you to watch mine. Because we're going to do this now in the live show. I'm going to give you the link for the premiere. And you're going to watch it. And you're going to like it, leave a comment, watch the whole thing, and then come back to me. And then we'll have a little chat. And then we'll do the next one. So we're going to have some fun right now. And I might give away some cash prizes. So I'm going to be nice. All right, for these videos, okay? I'm going to put cash prizes on some of these videos. If you watch the whole thing, they're all quite short. You know what I do for other people? You got to do it for me now. Right, you ready? Meet Kevin, Graham Stepan, Martyn Lucas, and the Day Trader family, the Lucasades, are about to come and take your spot. You ready? Okay, here we go. Who's with me for the premieres? Yes or no? I want 100% yes. Let's do it. Let's do it, everyone. So what we're going to do, the bell's gone. We're going to do Day Trader of the day. All the stocks are moving up. Looking good. Cummins is doing very well. Virgin Galactic. We're in the after hours. Virgin Orbit. Tesla's going to be 300 tomorrow. Look, it's moving up a little bit. Not much. I ain't got a crystal ball, you know. Lucid. Polestar. It's all good. I'm fine with this. Arrival. Very, very good. Okay. So, are you ready? Shortest poll ever. 100% so far. How many have voted? It better not just be... Yes, get in. Right. Here we go. Has everybody got a beer ready? I need to go and get a beer. I need to get a beer because we are now going to go viral on YouTube. We're going to kick the asses out of it. We're going to make money. We're going to blow up the channel. And then we are going to promote the hell out of stocks and have them all rise to the moon. One miserable sod said no. I bet that's Dave Mottram. Who's come in and said no? Some miserable sod. Right, okay. So here we go. The first one starts... Here we go. The first one starts at 4:15, 3:45, 3:30, 3:15. 3:15. Here's the first one. Here's the first one. So you ready? Not until I say go. When I say go, I want everyone to come out of the live show, go into this video, watch it. This is IonQ. Why I know IonQ is going to 10x. Why I know IonQ is going to 10x. So here's the link in the chat. When I say go, we all go together. I've done this for everybody else's video. Now it's time to do it for mine, right? There's the video. And you watch the whole thing. If you only watch part of it, it destroys it. You can have two tabs open, two devices open, and that works just as fine. But make sure that you like it and leave a comment. Okay? And when I say leave a comment, I don't mean in the live chat. I mean underneath in the main comments. That's worth 10 times what a live chat is worth. Right? There it is. So the comments are below here. The comments are down here, right? This is the comment section down here, below the video. All right? And we're going to see why IonQ is going to 10x. And we're about to make my channel go viral. And Mike's... Oh, look at that. Mike is already put a... Brick Mark's done it as already. Look at this. Look at the guys, look, already. Hang on, let me show you. Look, they've already put a comment below. already put a comment below. And I'm going to have some cash prizes and pick some winners. And you'll hear me tell you about it in the video. So you'll miss out if you don't watch it, right? There you go. Right, there's Google. Hang on. There you go. See it? There's Mike and there's Britmark already, okay? Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. You don't need to go there yet. I've given you the link in the chat. There it is. The link's in the chat. Should we disqualify them for going early? I think we should. Disqualify them for going early. Right, everyone grab a beer. We're gonna blow up YouTube tonight. Young Doji back at it scamming. Oh, here he is. Here we got a clown in the channel. All right, Young Doji, tell me why exactly I am scamming the channel. Tell me exactly what I've done other than raise over $1 million for charity, help everybody, give money away, do 10 hours a day for 14 months to support people. Tell me what's scammy. I make money teaching. I make money teaching, not trading. I make money teaching, not trading. What does that mean? I make money teaching, not trading. Well, good for you. What exactly does that mean? Anyway, we're a family here, united, we're winning, we're making money, we're raising money for each other, we're supporting each other. Be happy, be positive, or don't. But and be nice and respectful. If you're not, somebody will just block you from the channel. All right. So be nice, say something nice. So we're looking through the stocks right now, and I will tell you when to go for the first video. It's only like a couple of minutes long. I need everyone to watch the whole thing. Leave the comment below, and I'm going to watch it blow up on here. I'm so excited. This is the screen I can watch it on, and tonight is the night we're going to go viral. Go and grab a beer. Everyone go and grab a beer, and I'll go and grab one as well. All right? I'll go and grab one as well. Let's see if we've got any subscribers in just yet. Let's have a quick look. Has it grown? 455, 456. We've gained one subscriber. Okay, it hasn't started yet. Hey, Zach, how's it going? I'll have a look. Yes, absolutely, Sam. We're both looking forward. And we're looking forward to your Elton John show. 557. It's going up as I look at it. It's 557. Just gone up again. All right. Okay. 100%, 15 votes, 93 of you, 93%. There we go. Best family in the world. 6 minutes, Dougie Fresh. Dougie Fresh, you're on. 6 minutes, Dougie Fresh. What does that mean? 6 minutes, Dougie Fresh, you're on. What does that mean? What does that mean? Who's Dougie Fresh? Sam sent you a message. Thank you, Sam, Zach. I make money teaching, not trading. I wonder what Young Doji's saying. I've got no idea. Can we start? No, you can't start yet. Greeks World, thank you for the subscription. There we go. It's going to start now. You ready? Sam, I tell you what, Sam. One day, do a live show with a premiere, and we'll all come on your show and watch you. Sorry, Caden Youngquist. Sorry, I meant Caden Youngquist. Sam, do the same thing for Sam as well. Caden Youngquist, if you do a live broadcast promoting a video, we'll come and do it for you. All right? I got him. Did you get him? Did you get him, Mike? Did you slay him? Did you get rid of the idiots? There we go. Brilliant. Okay, you ready? I love it. I feel really empowered now. I do. I feel like we've got something here. We've got something here. We're strong. We're mighty. We're rock and roll. We cannot be beaten, folks, because we're a family united. Oh, I've got Deep House Jeff. Deep House Jeff is in the broadcast lounge. We've got Deep House Jeff in the broadcast lounge. Let me bring him in. Hang on a minute. We've got Deep House Jeff in the broadcast lounge, and Deep House Jeff, you're live on YouTube. How are you?
Hey, how's it going, Martin? Always good. It's always a pleasure, man. Every day, I tell you, I can't miss the show, man.
Hey, there it is. Get in, man. Hey, Deep House, where are you from? Where are you calling from?
Oh, right now I'm calling out of Maryland.
Maryland is what state's that?
state right above Washington D.C.
Oh, there we go. I've got you now.
Little bit east of West Virginia.
Brilliant. Hey, D-Pals, it's lovely to have you on the show. You're one of our new... You've not been here that long, have you? Just a few weeks or so, I think it's been, isn't it?
About a month. I'm going on a month tomorrow, actually.
A month tomorrow. Brilliant stuff. Yeah. Well, G-Pals, it's lovely to have you here. So you've called in today. What is it you want to share with the family? You've got about 2 minutes before we go to our first premiere.
Oh, yeah. No, I just wanted to kind of give you a better perspective on Salesforce.
Oh, yeah. Great.
Yeah, so basically I have a lot of experience with the platform. I visited their headquarters in New York a few times. I've been working with Salesforce as a partner as well at my old company. I can tell you that this company has had like a lot of bad luck over the past decade since the dot-com era. They're very innovative, they're very creative, and almost every top company in the world right now uses their platform in some form or way, whether that's data collection, whether that's analytics, software engineering. I'm pretty sure your favorite company, Tesla, is using Salesforce to track a lot of metrics. Of course, I'm not in their IT department, but I'm pretty sure that like majority of these companies use their tool because it's just so easy, it's so fast. The scientists behind it, the mathematicians they have at their company is just like above average. I mean, they're world-class company for sure.
Sounds good. I really appreciate you sharing that information, and you obviously have some experience there as well, which is always great to hear from people connected to the companies as well. I'd love to talk to you more. We've just run out of time, though. I want you to call back again and discuss again. But as you've called in, you often, if you know, I often record people like a 15-second soundbite to tell people why you're a part of the family, why they should subscribe, and all that kind of stuff. Are you able to do that? Give me a little 15-second soundbite?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, over to you, mate.
All right, everybody. Here again, it's the day trader Martyn Lucas. I'm telling you guys, every day you got to get the real deal here. There's no funny business. There's all honesty, great family. He gives out lots of prizes. I'm one of those people who've actually benefited from becoming a member. So please also become a member. Don't just tune in every day. Get involved with the family. Again, it's the day trader Martyn Lucas. Love it.
Oh, that was absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much, D-Pals Jeff. Appreciate you, mate, so much indeed. Oh, appreciate that. There was D-Pals Jeff. Call in again anytime. That was a great conversation. What a great bloke. Right, we've got to just a minute and a half. There's a lot of insight, a lot of nice information there from D-Pals about Salesforce. So obviously very, very useful. Right, we've got 5 very short little videos coming up now. Now, some of these videos are going to have cash prizes on them. So you won't know which one it is. You'll find out on Sunday which one has the cash prize. So make sure that you leave a comment, watch the whole thing and a like. You're about to make some money for yourselves. We're about to promote the stocks we believe in. We're about to go viral on YouTube. It's going to get very, very exciting. All right. We got 1 minute to go. Don't go just yet because we'll have the little build up. You've got plenty of time. I'll tell you when to go. So what I want you to do is go in, leave a like on this video. Leave a comment below in the main comments, which is down here below. All right, down in the main comments, not just in the live chat, but in the main comments below, because that is where I will be doing the draw, okay? In the comments, not the live chat. Right, there's 5 videos we're going to watch. When you watch this one, we're going to come straight back to the live, look at some more stock prices and chat to each other, get more call-ins if you want to call in. So, are you ready? I'm going to give you the go. When I want you to go, watch the whole video. We've got plenty of time. Here is the link for it. You can either use my links that I'm giving you in the chat right now, or you can look below the videos for the uploads. You can have a separate tab open if you want to do it that way, or you can watch it and then come straight back to the live show. There's the link in the chat. It will start in a few seconds. Watch the whole thing. Please give it 100% watch time. This is why IonQ is going to be a 10x stock. All right. We've now got the countdown, so you don't have to jump in just yet. You've got plenty of time. So just bear with me a second. I'll tell you when to go. You can go there if you want to, but there's no need for you to be there because all you're going to watch all you're going to watch is a blank screen. So you might as well stay where you are, and I'll tell you when to go. Let's go back to our stocks right now. It's going to be a very exciting night. We're going to make some money. We're going to blow up the channel. We're going to promote the stocks we love, and we're all just being part of the family, right? So how many? Let's have a look now. It's we've got 87%. That's 20 out of 23 of you said, yeah, we're in. We're 100%. We're watching the premieres. We're blowing up the channel. We're making money. And we're all going to win. And everyone's going to... Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Best family in the world. Right. Are you ready? Okay. You've still got time. Virgin Galactic is still up. I predict Tesla tomorrow will go up to $900 a share. When is the newsletter coming out? Everyone needs to donate. The newsletter is coming out on Sunday. Ali Tisro, why are you asking me this? You should know this. You are a gold member. You are royalty on the show. It comes out on Sunday. It goes 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, and 2 p.m. GMT. Right, it's video number 1. Let's go. Everybody jump in now on the first video. Watch the whole video. Leave a comment, leave a like, a comment below the video, and then come straight back to the live. Okay, here we go. We're going to watch this video now. Very exciting stuff. I'm going to bring it up on another... no, I'll leave it where it is. I'll leave it where it is. That looks all right to me. That looks all right to me. Everybody go, 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 go. Let's rockin' and rollin'. I'll see you back in a second now. This is why IonQ is going to be a 10x stock. I love it. Oh, this is awesome. Best feeling in the world. Best feeling in the world. All right. So you're all watching it. Now I'm going to bring up the other page so everyone can see what's going on. And I can open it up there. I can close it on this screen because I don't need it open over there. I can open it over here. Everyone's comments in. So if you just tuned us and you're tuned in and you're not taking part in our premiere night, we're having some fun on our channel, and done and came back. Well, you got to watch the whole video, Patty. No point coming straight back. It doesn't do the video any good if you only watch the first 10 seconds. You've got to watch the whole video. That's how it works. Otherwise, it doesn't work very well. You have to watch the whole video. There we go. Wow, 13 likes already. Oh, that's amazing. 13 likes already. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see how many comments we got on the video. 13 likes already. That's amazing. 13 likes already. There we go. 13 likes already. And we got 10 comments. Oh, yes, yes, yes. That's what I'm talking about. Brilliant. There we go. All the comments are coming in. The videos are coming in. Absolutely awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So we are talking about IonQ tonight. Why IonQ will be up a 4x stock. That's playing on my premiering now. And the video is in. Shows 19 likes. That's amazing. Right? We're coming for you. Big YouTubers, we're coming for you. If you're in the chat right now, there's the video. All right, there's the video. Brilliant stuff. Absolutely awesome. Let's see how it's affecting the video right now. There you go. You can see the videos that are all taking off now. There we go. Brilliant. It's going up, and we'll see what our subscribers are doing. 4557. That won't move yet because at the moment it's just the family watching. So there we go. We'll keep our eye on that. Absolutely great. Brilliant. I can't believe it. What an amazing reaction. All right. All right. Okay. You're all back with me now. All right. Everyone's back with me now. Come back to the main show again. Awesome stuff. Let's go back to the stocks. It showed 20 likes. That's amazing. Absolutely nuts. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. All right. Now then, I hope you left a comment because we're going to be picking people to win the cash prizes. All right. and you'll only be picked in the draw if you've watched the whole video, left a comment and a like. So when's the next one? We got 5 here, 4, 3:45, 3:30. All right, here's the next one. This is on. Coming up next. This is a brilliant night. This is absolutely bonkers. Who's having a good time? We having a good time? We having a good time or what? All right, okay, here we go. So this is the next one now. You've got plenty of time. We're going to review some stocks. If anybody wants to call back in again now, if our friend wants to talk more about Salesforce, or anybody else wants to call in about any stocks, or say hello to anybody, or leave a comment, or just get involved in the family, whatever you'd like to do, here's video number 2. This goes live in 8 minutes. Vid number 2. Okay, here it is in the chat right now. There it is. Vid number 2. Don't go there yet. There's vid number 2. We'll go back there in a minute to catch that one. Tonight, we turn the channel into a big channel, all right? I feel like I'm working for the show. You are working for the show, Nits. You are. This family is. You are working for the show. Because we're a cult, you know? I mean, have you not seen it, right? Have you not been part of this long enough? You know, we're a cult. We're like committed. We're like taking over YouTube. We're going to be the biggest YouTube channel in the world. And all my original members, you can remind me that I said so, will all be taken care of, all right? We're here for each other. I'm not going anywhere. We're all going to support each other, right? Okay. So let's have a quick look. My overall portfolio is now up 2.35. I'm retired. I don't work. Well, you are now. You are now, Stephen Lewandowski. You are working now. Everybody's working now. We are slayers. We are slayers. Alison, you like the video? Just as I like me too. Oh, brilliant. I am retired. I don't work. See the little bags of money float above his head. What's that? What bits of money floating around? Oh, I love it. This is brilliant. Okay. So, now then. We're about to have some more fun. We've got 6 minutes. We're going to carry on looking for the stock. I will give you the second video. Now this time, because what I'm going to do is when the newsletter comes out on Sunday, it'll pick one of these videos, and if you've commented on it, you'll be in the draw to win the cash prize on Friday. Okay. Okay, this is not for tomorrow's competition. You've already entered tomorrow's competition. This is for next Friday's. Okay, so you're going to be in the draw for next Friday. Now then, if you want to be really, really cool, right, on the next video that we do in just 5 minutes, you watch it, you like it, you leave a comment, and what would be really amazing, you see everybody else's comment, thumbs up other people's comments. Is that asking too much? Probably asking too much, isn't it? That's asking too much, isn't it? When you see other people's comments, give other people's comments a thumbs up, because it promotes their channels. And, you know, why not? Why not help everybody else out as well? Right, now this next one is why on semiconductors is going to double. I don't think this is going to 10x, but I think this is going to double. All right, so I am looking at making another $1,000 on. I'm up 48%. I've made $300. I'm expecting to make another $300, make $600, and then I'll sell some of the stock. I'm not going to sell all of it. I'll just sell half of it. All right. I'm not going to sell it all, but just sell half. That's what I think on is going to do, and that's the next video, which goes live in just a few minutes' time. Are you ready? Okay. Canoe is which is DNA. Ginkgo Canoe, which we know about, has got the deal with Walmart. Very, very interesting. Why not? There we go. Why not indeed? Why not go and like everybody else's comments? Because that will promote everybody else's channel. Why not do that at the same time? I agree. I think everyone should do that, right? Totally. Right. Rolls Royce. Now, I sold out of this yesterday. I lost a bit of money. I took a loss on it. Decided that I wanted to be out of the stock because I could see myself making more money on other stocks. That's all. But Rolls Royce now has a good deal. It's got a deal with somebody to make something. Who the hell was it now? Oh, the RAF. It's doing something with the RAF, helicopters, something or other. I forgot what it was now. But anyway, it doesn't matter. And there's another bit of good news as well. There's two things I've just forgotten what they were now. All right, doesn't matter. Anyway, let's go back into Discord. Have we got anybody in Discord now? No. If anybody wants to call into Discord, you've got... No, you haven't got time. You haven't got time now. Don't bother calling into Discord. You haven't got time. All right? Okay. Are you ready? So we're now going to have some fun on the next video. And don't forget, you're doing this to help the channel, but also to give yourself chances to win the cash prizes, okay? Some good cash prizes about to come out on Friday and next Friday. Done that already, Brickmark said. You've done it already? He's liked everyone's comments. Brickmark says, I've done it already. I've liked, I've watched, I've commented, I've liked everybody's. I can't do anymore. He's like, I can't do anymore, all right? Oh, I love it. I'm very proud of this family. I'm very proud of what we've created. 14 months ago, nobody was watching anything. I was sitting here talking to myself. Felt like a right idiot. I mean, what was the point of that? What was the point of that? No one was like, I was just like talking to myself. Anyway, look, here's Brickmark. He's saying I've already done it. Right, look. See, Brickmark, he's already left a comment. All right? And later on, I'm going to thumbs up all these comments and heart them and reply to everyone. If I do it now, by the way, if I like that now, it won't remind me in my analytics where I go through all the comments. That's why I've not liked it. I will like it later and I will comment to everyone later. Okay? Now, this is why I think on is going to double. All right? This is the next one. I will call in. Oh, yes. Do you want to call in? Okay, you can call in after this video then. Patty from Italy wants to call in. Who wants to hear Patty call in? Anybody or nobody? Anybody want to hear Patty call in? This is Patty.
Hello to everybody.
There she is. There's a little teaser. There's a little do you want to hear it again? Here it comes.
Hello to everybody.
There you go.
I'm calling.
She's calling from Pizza. Yeah, not Pizza Hut. Pisa, where the tower's like that. Right? She's going to call in. All right, then. All right. I will tell you when to go, and then we're going to have a call in. Flipping it, I'm tired. This has been all day. Mental. Mental, I tell you. Mental. Right, are you ready? But not now. Oh. Yeah, not now. I will call in, but not now. All right, then. I assumed you meant I'll call in means like now. Not I'll call in next month. I mean, what's the point of saying that? Because I've known you since 25 years, Alison. That's your daughter. Yeah, Patty, Alicia is your daughter, right? So you've known her for 25 years. Probably. I would say you have, you know. Anyway, let's get ready. So we've got 60 seconds to go. Are you ready for this one to start? Let's have a quick look. Who's with me now? Who's with me in the show? I've only got 12 people. You're all in already. You're cheating. Stop cheating, everybody. Stop cheating. All right? I'm eating. All right, if you're eating, you can't do it, I suppose. All right, okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, so here's the next video. You ready? We're going to go in a second. Not yet. Right, this is on. Same thing. You guys, right? I've got to do this until they've all done, and then we're finished. You ready? Here's the next one. Is on. Okay, there it is in the chat. There's video number 2. All right, I'm in both. How do you manage that then? Open 2 tabs at once. That's commitment for you. Right, you ready? There's 5 waiting. That's why there's Greek's World. Hey, we got somebody new in the channel. Look, Greek's World. Everyone say hello to the new person. Look, Greek's World is in the channel. Can you see him? Look, he's over here. I can't zoom in because my computer... There it is. Greek's World. Hi, mate. I'm going to say hello to him. Hi, mate. Right, you ready? Greek's World's in the channel. There he is. Okay. Right, you ready? This video's about to start. Phone for live stream and laptop for premiere. Flipping it, Brickmark. You're professional. Right. Like everyone's comment. How many comments have we got? Sort by newest comments. Newest comment. Newest first. Right. There's the comments, look, coming down the list there, look. Mike, Brickmark, Stewok, Development Alert, Uganda, Logan Pizza. You ready? Okay, here we go. Here's video number 2. There we go. Everyone's saying hello. Everyone's saying hello to Greek's World. He's thinking, this is the most friendliest channel in the history of the world. I come in and people start saying hello to me. How is that? How is that? All right? How is that? Okay. Here we go. Knits for O. Let's do it. Let's blow up the channel, right? Okay, I'll be back there in 30 seconds. I'm just going to go through my stocks and check where we are right now. See how she's not always happy about that. Who's not happy about that? She's your daughter. Oh, I'm not getting involved. I'm not getting involved between Alicia and Patricia. That sounds a bit scary to me. I don't know about that. All right. So anyway, let's get back to our trading position and let's see what the stocks are doing. And we'll come back to that for those of you that are over there now. Okay. Okay. We're watching Cummins at the moment. And now we're going to see what's happening over here. Okay. Let me come back to you. Checking the stocks where we are, and we're seeing Virgin Galactic just down a little bit after hours. Virgin Orbit, Tesla. I expect to see it at $900, which will be $300 tomorrow, which is $900, $369, $300 a share tomorrow. That's what we want to see. I wouldn't be surprised at all if that happens. Okay, here we go. 13 watching. Let's go back to the video. Here we go. There's 8 watching now. Wow, look at everybody. Look at everybody in the chat and the comments. All right, here's On. On is happening now. On Semiconductors. Why we think On Semiconductors is going to be a top buy. This is mental. Greek's World, new to the channel. Look at all the comments. Oh, yes, I can see everybody liking. I can see everybody liking everybody's channels. I can see it. There we go. Very good. Oh, no, I'm not scared. Oh, we got a family dispute now between Alicia and Patricia. All dramas happening now. All dramas happening now. 12, here we go. This is only a minute long. You got to stay there watching it. Why, Martin? We were talking only about my age. It's not sound scary in my opinion. I don't know. I think we're all getting confused. I think everyone's confused. I got confused once in life. You know, it happens all the time. Don't worry about it. It's not a problem. We all get confused. Right, what's happening now? This next video. We're going to go viral tonight. We're on the biggest YouTube channel in the world. You ready? There we go. 4557. I'm surprised the subscribers aren't moving yet. That's because the videos are being watched just by you at the moment. That's why it's doing that at the moment. Anyway. This is the video. This is On. On's nearly finished. 8 watching, 14 likes. I love it. Okay, everyone's coming back now. Everyone's coming back. I love it. Let's get back into the main trades. We've got 14 likes. Everyone liked everything. I love it. Look at that. Very, very good. All right, very good. Nice one, guys. Okay, well done. Well done. You're halfway there now. You've nearly done it. You're amazing. Okay. And this one. SoFi. You're halfway there now, folks. Stick with me. You could do it. Here's number 3. And we've got a couple of minutes to go. Here's number 3. I'll give it you in the chat right now. And these are the videos that we're going to do the cash prizes on, okay? So you all know that by commenting first, before anyone else, you are in the draw, okay? All of you, every single flipping one of you. Okay? All right, here we go. I'm back. Hello. Hello, Zach. Are you ready? So let's go through, see where we are right now. Now we got time. We've got 8 minutes before our next video. We've got 8 minutes. Who wants to call in? The broadcast lounge is open. Here's the broadcast lounge. If you want to call in, you can. There's the broadcast lounge right there on YouTube, on Discord. If you want to call in, you can. Okay. Damn, you killed my internet connection. Yes, brilliant. We've broken the internet in Nitz Farrell's house. He's saying, I can't believe it. You've broken my internet. Perfect. That's exactly what we aim to do. Done to also thumbs up everyone. Wow. Stephen Lewandowski is going for the Day Trader of the Year award. By the way, if you forgot about that, I think Mike is the only one who's remembered that. Mike, at the moment, probably, I'm just saying, might be in the lead for our Day Trader of the Year. At the end of the year, we're giving a star prize to the person who's engaged the most across the channel. Okay? There he is, Mike. And Mike is like, he watches every video, he comments on every video, he moderates, he likes other people's comments, he shares other comments. He's very often the first person to comment. So we're looking at the person who's most engaged on the channel, who deserves a special prize at the end of the year to find out who is our Day Trader of the Year, fan of the year, if you like. So that's what we're trying to do. There's an outage because of the Day Trader. Yeah, we've crashed the global internet. That's it. We've crashed the global internet. Right, okay. So here we go. We've got a couple of minutes to go now. I'm getting tired. I understand. But you're halfway there now. You're halfway there. You're halfway there. You've done very good. I'm very impressed. I'm very, very impressed with you all. But anyway, look at all the stocks now. We're getting a bit of a sell-off into the close tonight. Not sure why that might be, but we are definitely getting a bit of a sell-off into the close. Done me too. It's lovely to do this. It is, isn't it? We are. Oh, look at that arrival. That's a bit of a shame. We had a nice bounce tonight, up 1.63, and we've given it away. That's a bit of a shame. Never mind. People are profit taking. Bit like Dexter Sickles, right? Day Trader of the Day. Oh yeah, we could do that now. Yeah, we've got time. Day Trader of the Day. Thank you very much. Right, here is the next video. SoFi is in, we got 6 minutes. There you go. SoFi. Okay, here it is. There is the next video. Get ready. That's number 3. You're halfway there. There it is. I've given it you in the chat. All right. I don't know why I posted it 3 times. That was a bit of a mistake. I only meant to do it twice. Right, Day Trader of the Day. Go to your main portfolio. Here it is. I am up 20%. Over the last 3 months. Ignore that one. All right. I was up. There we go. No way. I'm up 2.29. Bloody hell. What's going on here? Why are we up so much? This can't be allowed. I might win. 2.25. I might win. I might beat everyone. Up 2.25%. You ready? Day Trader of the Day. I might win. I'm just saying. Bloody hell. Yeah, bloody hell's right. Bloody hell's right. I must be picking good stocks. I'm up even more now, look. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, even more. It's going up as I'm watching it. Right, 1 minute on the clock. Here you go. 1 minute. Day Trader of the Day. Here we go. 41.6. 2.29. 2.25. Darn it. I've beaten, I think I've beaten Brickmark. Brickmark is up 1.58. I've beaten him. Have I beaten anybody else? Logan Pizza is up 3%. Darn it. Logan Pizza goes into the lead. Logan Pizza's beaten me. Mike is up 0.735. Is that 0.73.5? What is that? Or 735? What's going on here? 0.73. I think I'm guessing he means 0.73. But the winner is so far is 3% Logan Pizza. Absolutely smashed it. Very, very good indeed. Robinhood is going up tonight. Looking very tasty indeed. All right. The winner is, it looks like Logan Pizza, up 0.73, forgot to hit the caps. Not fair as I don't get after hours. Ah, there you go. Brick marks, not fair. 3%. Right. Let's give a round of applause to Logan Pizza. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Let's thank him very much indeed. Logan Pizza. Let's thank him. Hang on, where's my thank you button? It's not working. I've broken the internet. There you go. Thank you very much indeed. Everything's a bit weird tonight. Thumbs up. Yeah, look, everything's breaking. I'm doing too much. I'm doing too much. And here's the sound effects. There we go. Congratulations. Logan Pizza, congratulations to you. That's a great score tonight. 3%. Very nice indeed. Knits for Hours up 1.1% today, down slightly in the after hours. Not to worry. Still a very good score. Still a very good score. Now we're getting left with the hardcore fans. Now we're getting left to the hardcore fans now. Some people have got tired and gone, I can't do it anymore. They're thinking, oh my gosh, I can't do it anymore. I'm busted. I'm bust. I'm broken. I can't do any more. Did Tesla move in the after hours? No, it's down slightly, but never mind. Okay. Are you ready? The halfway mark. We're now looking at SoFi. Get ready. So here is the SoFi now. And you're going to find out why I think SoFi is going to replace the banks. All right. Not in the next couple of years, but in the next 10 years, I think brick and mortar banks will be replaced by things like SoFi. Whether SoFi is the one, I don't know. But SoFi certainly right now is the one to invest in. This is SoFi. It's up 4% today, just down in the after hours. Profit taking again, but that's all right. That's all right. We can do that. Are you ready? Now now we're down to the final straight. We're halfway there now. After this, it's the final straight, and we're down to the hardcore fans. And then we're going to say good night. See you all back in the morning for the opening bell. Plus, it's our cash giveaway in the morning. And we've also got, of course, Jerome Powell speaking in the morning. Now, this is why I think SoFi is going to replace the banks. And this starts in 60 seconds from now. So you've got plenty of time. You get the little bit of a beginning thing. The build-up, the premiere, the excitement and the drama of it all. There is the link in the chat. I'll tell you when to go. We're going to go over there and look right now. We're going to get ready, and we're going to see why SoFi should do so well. So let's see how it's all moving. Are you ready? Okay, let's have a look. How many people are in the show right now? Let's have a little look. 17 watching. There we go. You all came back. We've held the audience all night. This is pretty impressive. This is our hardcore fans now. 4457. We've gained a couple, I think, during all of this. It will start to move later when the general public watch the video. But you can see it starting to light up now in here. Okay. Very, very good. Now you can see IonQ, the first one, it's now up to 32 views. So you started it all off, and now now YouTube are pushing it out to the general public. See how that works? Okay, so here we go. We're now going to go over to IonQ. Here it comes. And we're going to have some fun with this one and see how we go with IonQ. Sorry, SoFi. I apologize. SoFi, yeah. All right. And we're over the halfway line now. Nearly done. We're all tired. I know we're all tired. But you can do it. All right. And I'll reward you all tomorrow. You know I will. The Day Trader family. We're all having a holiday. We're all having a holiday in the UK on the 15th of October. We're all going to be there as well. Remember that. Okay. Let's see how we go this time. Come back to the main show and we'll be there in just a couple of seconds. Here is the links in the chat. You already have it. If you want to be part of our premiere night tonight, we're having a lot of fun. We're blowing up the channel. And we're trying to become the best YouTube channel in the world. Over there on TikTok, you're missing all the fun. We're doing it on YouTube. Thank you for the likes, by the way. Whoever it is liking the video. I appreciate it. What we're trying to do tonight is become the #1 YouTube channel in the world. We've got premieres going live at the same time, and all our family is jumping in, taking part, sharing everything, and we're trying to become the best YouTube channel we can. All right, that's what we're trying to do right now. So there we go. Okay, so here is the premiere video, 15th of October, that's right, 15th of October. All right, here we go, 8 watching already, look at that. Here we are again, hi all, just 2 to go. You guys are the very, very best. Every YouTuber wants a family like you. There you go. I am here. Hi, Will. I will. Hi, Stu. Hi, Stu. Who else? Hi, Mike. Who else is there? Who have I missed? Brick Mark. Hi, Brick. There we go. Already 12 likes. Already the comments. Everyone's liking everything. Can't get better than that, folks. Can't get better than that. Brilliant, right? That's what's going on there over on my channel right now. And we've still got an audience here as well. You're able to keep the channel open at the same time. This is absolutely incredible. We've got people watching all the videos now at the same time on semiconductors. And all the shorts are now starting to spike. There we go. Very, very exciting. And hopefully, oh, there we go. There's another one, another subscriber, 4558. Number 3, go. Stephen's going, oh my gosh, what's going on? I can't do anymore. I need a drink. I need a drink. I need a beer. I didn't get a chance to get my beer. I've never seen you make any money. He makes money over time, not on one big amount at a time. That's right. Steady growth, build the foundations, long-time growth. I'm doing my best, liking. Henrico, you are. Don says, I've never seen you make any money. I'm building the family, that's why. Can't find you on YouTube. If you look up here in the profile here, Jasper, in the profile right here is my YouTube channel right behind the Instagram icon. Or if you look on the all links button, you'll find my YouTube channel. You'll see me right there. Or you can just type in youtube.com/thedaytrader1. It's very, oh, you've just subscribed to me. Jasper, you've just subscribed to me. I'm just talking to you now and you're subscribing to me. There we go. I can't believe it. All right. 10 watching. There you go. They're watching the SoFi video. Got you, Brick. Woohoo. All this pays off. There we go. Everyone's watching it. Get him up, get him up, get him up. 3, 2, 1, Rick. Oh, yeah. Remember that? Bradley. Brad. Remember him? Oh, yeah, I remember him. I remember him. Newest. There we go. There's the comments below. We look as well. Everyone. Mike, Brick Mark, Zach, Stewart, Logan Pizza, and Bill. Excuse me. There we go. 14 likes. Incredible stuff. Absolutely. Oh my gosh. I am so worn out. Is everybody tired now? I'm exhausted. Absolutely exhausted. I don't know how we're still doing it. Oh, we're talking about SoFi Technologies. Shall I actually listen in so I can hear it? of this, hold it. I'm holding it. And by the way, if I ever sell any of my shares, I always do it live for you in front of everyone. And I tell you before I'm going to do it so the whole world can see what I'm doing. It's very important for me to be the most honest, real YouTuber there is on YouTube. I never pump and dump a stock. I promote it because I own it. Hopefully you'll all buy it. Hopefully it will go up. But when I'm going to sell it, I'll tell you when I'm going to sell it, and you'll see me do it live on the show. I said you could win some free money in the show. Well, you can. If you leave a comment below this video, every Friday, we randomly pick winners. And if you are one of those lucky winners that get picked out, just by commenting on a video, you can win free money. I do it all the time. Why? No idea. I just like doing it. I've got some money to give away, so I give it away. It makes people smile, and that makes me happy. Jasper, how can you not see me live? If you go onto my channel, right at the top, it says live in red. It's right there. And we've got all these premieres, and you can be part of it and blow up your channel as well. We're here to promote and help everyone. And they're all cash prize giveaway videos. We're going to give away money as well. So exciting. All right, back now where are we going? We are now over the halfway line. We're at the 90% point now. We're nearly done. Everyone, look, Jasper, if I put on the channel right now, look, live. There's my homepage of my channel, look. There you go, Jasper, look, see, live. This is my YouTube channel. There's the live video right at the top. Can't miss it. If you're not on that channel, you must be on. If you just subscribe to me, so you should better find me. I don't know. Yes, he's right now. He's live 2 times a day, Monday to Friday. That's right. Basically all the time. I mean, just all the time. Okay. No one works harder. Okay. All right. Let's go back to the main trading positions now. That was SoFi we were talking about then. Okay. So let's have a look now then. We're over the halfway line. Oh my gosh. So here's the next one in 7 minutes time. Whew. And then this is it. And then the last one you can watch, that'll be it. You won't come back to me at the end. We'll just finish on the last video and then we'll be back in the morning, okay? So here's the last one now. And we've got 5 minutes to go. Brickmark is going for the Day Trader of the Year competition. He wants to win the. He's going up against Mike now. He's going up against Mike. See Brickmark. He's already gone into the live chat. He wants to give Mike a run for his money to be the first person to comment, the first person to like, and he wants to win our star prize at the end of the year. Unbelievable. Brick, convince her to join the family. Who's not a member of the family? Who's not a member of the family? Everybody is. Rule Dolmo is here. We got a guest in the chat. Let me bring up Rule Dolmo. Rule Dolmo. Look, everybody. Raul Dolmo is new in the chat. Look. New in the chat tonight. He's new. Everyone say hello to Raul. Put your countries and cities and tell him where you're from. There you go, Raul. We're having an after hours party tonight. We're trying to get our YouTube channel to go viral, and so we can raise money for people, right? We do cash prizes every Friday. This is my TV studio where I've raised, let me give you a wave. Hello. Where I've raised over $1 million for my charities. I love giving it all away. Hello, guys. Subscribe, ring the bell. There you go. Have you done it yet? Give us a thumbs up. You done that yet? All right. Okay. We're on a marathon job. We got literally 2 videos to go now. The last video, you don't have to come back to me. There'll be no ending. That'll be it. I'll be done. I'll be finished. We'll all say goodbye on the last video, okay? It'll all be over in 10 minutes from now. So we're right at the last part of our marathon. Okay? Now we're giving away cash prizes. If you look below the video, you can get into my newsletter. Newsletter goes out every Sunday for the cash prize draw. All right, check out the newsletter. Every Sunday it goes out, and every Friday we give cash prizes away. So join us tomorrow morning for the opening bell. We give cash prizes away every single Friday. All right, and we raise money for all our charities, all our members. All right, he's going, hello, hello. This is great. And this is our stocks right now. Okay, we've got a couple of minutes to go. I am completely and utterly exhausted. I feel like I've done a proper day's work today. Must be blind. Jasper's going, I must be blind. He's just subscribed to my channel. Go to the homepage of my YouTube channel, and I'm live. Lots of sites copied, so make sure you have the right one. SoFi to the moon. Yes, indeed, SoFi to the moon. I don't like that phrase, though. It's a silly phrase made up by crypto YouTubers. It doesn't mean anything. We don't use that We don't use that phrase on our show. All right? I know. Anyway. Welcome from Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. Hello. We got a guest from Sri Lanka. That's the first time. My American wife isn't part of the family. We are in UK, but moving to America in 2024. Uganda, Africa. There we go. We got a global audience tonight. Okay. I am now telling you guys, I'm going to go and grab a piece of chocolate. I've got low blood sugar. I've done too much. I'm exhausted. But together, we are doing it, right? And what's really exciting is, on Sunday, the newsletter is being given, sponsored by Ali Tisro for Zach, and we're going to help to raise more money for Zach for his village in Africa. One day I want to go and visit that village in Africa. Zach, I want to go and visit the village in Africa and make a video and bring it home to everyone. And because I love the fact we are supporting your village. And I'm so happy that the newsletter this Sunday is going to promote your village and promote your fundraiser. And I love this. The more we do, the better it is for everyone. I love it. Amazon's going up big time after hours as well. That's big for Amazon, by the way. Apple, Robinhood. Look at this, guys. Good day. What else have we got here? McDonald's is flat in the after hours. We've got 2 minutes to go. We've got 2 videos to do. We're nearly finished. We're nearly done, guys. Is everybody tired? Google is doing very well. 6.5% up now. Microsoft up. Meta up. SoFi just dropped back a bit of profit taken there, bit of a shame about that, but never mind. IonQ profit taken as well, but I'm up 24%. It doesn't matter, right? You can't be up on all of them. Rio Tinto doing well. Salesforce, we need to know more about that. And anyway, let's get ready. Okay, Raul Dolmo, right? Raul, we've got 2 minutes for our next little bit of a fun game. Do you want to be part of it? Do you want to be part of what we're doing here? Here is the weekly newsletter. You can sign up for this. This is where we give away the cash prizes every single week. Here it is. Make sure that you verify the email. Here's the link in the chat. It's also below all my videos. And here is the email that you need to verify. You need to go and look in your junk folder. It always goes to junk because it mentions the word free cash prize. Because that's what happens when you give people money, all right? Okay. Are you ready? And the last thing I'll give you, just in the nick of time, if you want to be on our Discord, is here. We talk 24/7, support you with all our stocks, our shares. No one works harder. We share everything with you. It's all real. This is my real money, all of my real money. Here is the Discord link. There it is. And here's the invitation to join if you want all the membership benefits. And that's why, you see, everyone's got a badge after their name. Nearly every single person is a member. And don't ask me, ask them why. They'll tell you they get 20 times back what they put in. All right, here we go, folks. 2 more videos to go. The last one, we're not even going to come back. So we are now 90% of the way through our marathon tonight. Here it comes. Here's the video. Here's the last one. Are you ready? Everybody, let's go now. Let's go now. Leave a comment. Leave a like everyone's comment. Below in the comments. Let's go. Let's go viral tonight. One night, we're going to go viral. God, I'm whacked. Okay, let's do it. Here's the Tilray Brands one. This is going to 10x this stock. The link's in the chat. The video's there. Everybody's ready to go. Let's do it. I'm going to go and grab myself a piece of chocolate that I can eat during this live show because I'm absolutely exhausted. Absolutely exhausted. I can't tell you. Right, let's see what this has done to the channel. Look, it's growing. Okay, 5,000 views in the last 48 hours, so we're growing now. Every video's getting watched. Every video's had likes and comments. Brilliant. Let's check our subscribers. 558. When we get 5,000, we're going to get a big star on our show. You all know who that is, Greg Dickerson, right? Let's go over to the next video. Here it is. It's about to start, so I'm going to go and grab myself a piece of chocolate. You ready? I'll be right back. Oh, another subscriber. Here we go. Everyone come into the live chat and go into leave a comment below. You ready? Okay. Okay, I've grabbed myself a piece of chocolate because I'm absolutely starving now. Okay, you ready? Let's do it. Let's go viral tonight. Okay. Here we go. Okay, it's about to start. And here it comes. Okay, better be Cadbury's. It's Twix. It's a Twix. Twix. I'm having a Twix. Okay, here's the last video. I'm going to tune into this one. And then we have the final video, and that's it. We're not going to come back. We're going to finish up with that one. Okay, here we go. Let's get ready to do the audio, shall we? Let's bring it in. Tilray Brands. Why do I think Tilray Brands is going to 10x? Screw it, just do it. Yep. Quote from Branson, screw it, just do it. Just get on with it. Stop moaning, get off your ass, make the world. Here we go. Tilray Brands up 7.5% today. One of my best stocks, and I'm going to tell you why I hold this stock, and I'm going to tell you where I think it's going to go. But before I do any of that, would you please subscribe to this channel? Give me a thumbs up. That really helps. Really helps this video. And you know why? If you subscribe to this video and you thumbs it up, the chances are, as you do it, the moment you do it, in fact, my Tilray Brands will continue to pump up. Even though this is a recorded video, through the magic of TV, I'm pretty convinced if you like this video, more people will get to hear about Tilray Brands and the stock price will go up. Anyway, that's up to you. Right now, though, Tilray Brands, it's one of my positions here on Robinhood, and I'm holding this stock. When it went down recently, I bought a lot more shares of this. In fact, I was down 24% at one point. Right now, though, I'll share with you my position. I am up 7.68. I hold 448 shares, just under $2,000. It's 2.5% of my portfolio. Why am I interested in this stock? And where do I see it going? Well, I did tell you, if you watch to the end of the video, I would tell you. And we're nearly at the end of the video now, so I might as well tell you, right? Where I see this stock going is 10x. Why do I say 10x? Which means that'll be worth $40, which means my portfolio of $1,808 will be 18,000, right? Sounds ridiculous, but that's where I see it going. And why do I say that? Well, because as soon as it gets legislation in the US, this stock price will surge. It's already happening in Europe. It's going to happen. It's only a matter of time. Why invest in Tilray Brands? Tilray Brands is the biggest medicinal cannabis producer around the world. So why not be in the best and the biggest? And it's just a matter of time for this stock to pop. Now, right now, people have sold out because they don't see legislation coming tomorrow. So they're using their money elsewhere. The only trouble is with that strategy, by the time the news gets out that it's being passed through legislation, this stock would have already popped, had probably already tripled in price. And it'd be kind of too late to get the main bounce. But I'm holding this position. I'm very excited about it. And as soon as it goes up to 10x, I will sell half of it. No more than half. I'll take a huge profit and enjoy owning the stock of Tilray Brands. So there you go. Are you into Tilray Brands? Let me know where you see the stock going. Leave your comments below. And from time to time, I pick random comments from my video and I give away. So there you go. Are you into Tilray Brands? Let me know where you see the stock going. Leave your comments below. And from time to time, I pick random comments from my video and I give away cash prizes. I do it all the time. Just join me every Friday and you'll see I give away cash prizes all the time when people comment on my videos. All right. So leave a comment below. I hope you've already smashed and liked the video. And join me later on for the closing bell. Or you can click up here to join me live every day. I'm live 10 hours a day, Monday to Friday. Take care of yourselves and each other. Whoa, okay, we're back now then. We've done it. We are now to the final video. We are at the final video. Is everybody exhausted? We're going to end the show now. Once everybody comes back, we're going to end the show and we're going to leave everybody on the final last video. Okay, and I'm gonna watch it with you, but that is it. I'm gonna go. Incredible night. So here we go. When everybody's back with me, I want to say a couple of words. I'm just gonna wait for everyone to come back to me. Done for. When everybody comes back, I will. When you come back, just say you're back here. I want to make sure everyone's back before I say my final words. Let's make sure everybody's here. Okay, let's make sure everyone's back. Make sure everyone's back before I say it. Okay. Everybody back with me now. Done for. Brickmark, Stephen, Lewandowski, Mike, Bill, Paddy, Alicia. All right. Okay. You ready? Okay, William, let me know you're back here. And I've got one final word to say. Zach, done and got to sleep. We're on the last video now. Zach, one more video. We're done. This is it. We're going to finish on this now. We're going to finish. We're not even going to come back. We're going to let this one play and everyone's done it. Zach, you're nearly there. We're nearly done. Dexter Sickles, Peter Wilson, Nitz Farrells, Zach, William Wallace, Mike, Brickmark, Stephen, Paddy, Alicia. Okay, here we go. So, I want to say to everybody, this is the honor of a lifetime to be able to bring you this every day, to go live every day, share with people my real honest trades, my life, my journey. You've seen me upset, you've seen me happy. It's been an absolute honor, and I'm glad that everybody's benefiting, making friends, growing your own channels, making money, getting money for your fundraisers. This is the biggest honor, one of the greatest things I've ever done in my life. I'm absolutely honored, and I cannot believe that the support that this channel gets. We all help each other, and I will help and promote everyone in any way I can. There you go. Nit's just got a new subscriber as well. Brilliant. Mike, I think you've now got a bit of competition now. There's some other guys trying to win the Day Trader of the Year, Fan of the Year. At the end of the year, whoever engages most, comments most, likes most, and then it doesn't matter if you start now, if you wasn't here at the beginning, it doesn't matter. Everyone's got the same chance. I'm looking at everyone's time that they were here on the channel, who commented the most, who engaged the most, who supported the channel the most. Not monetarily. It's not about who gives me super chats. It's not about that. It's about who engages and shares and watches and likes and comments and stuff like that. The first to comment and so on. And at the end of the year, the Day Trader of the Year is going to get an award for the fan, the most supported fan. There's a special prize at the end of the year. So that's coming at the end of the year, okay? So, right now though, I want to say goodnight to everybody and leave you with the final video. Now, we're not going to come back afterwards. We're going to come back in the morning for the opening bell. So when this video finishes, I'm going to close the show right now. I'm going to give everybody the link right now. Once everybody goes to watch the video, I will end the video here and we are done. All right, and I will let you watch the last video, and that will be the end. Okay, so here is the last video. Here is the last video, and I'm going to say goodnight to everybody, and everyone can go there now, and I will end this show. So here is the last video, the 5th video. This is the Tesla video of everything that we've been doing tonight. This is the final one. The marathon is now at the end. Brick is the new competition. Good morning from Uganda. Wow, Zach has stayed up way past midnight tonight. And I hope all of this gets more subscribers and more viewers so we can do more good for Zach and all the fundraisers and all the stuff we do. Okay, here is the last video. Everybody go there now because I'm going to end this video. There it is. Okay, everyone's got the link in the chat. I've posted it 10 times. It's in the chat right now. That's it. I'm going to end the show. We're all going to go there now for the final one, and we won't come back until the morning. Okay? Thank you ever so much, everybody, for being part of this event tonight. It's been an absolute honor and a dream, and I hope we grow from here, and I can continue to grow and do more for all of you. Because the bigger I get, the bigger all of you get. My original members will always get promoted. Okay, guys? That's it. Thank you very much indeed. I'll see you all back. I'll see you all over now on the final video on Tesla, and I'll see you all back in the morning for the opening bell. Take care of yourselves. Have a wonderful evening, and thank you for helping me be able to help all of you and for all of us become the best YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch channel online, on wherever. All right? See you in the morning. Take care of yourselves and each other.